This week's weekly dose of Eisner is the Spirit number 28 from Kitchen Sink. It should be from early 82. And you have the Spirit being circled by buzzards under the desert sun, and he's handcuffed. It's another wraparound cover. This blonde fellow is about to beat him with a rock. Has a very hot, desperate kind of feel to it. And Spirit's doing his best to bring in the desperado, and the buzzards are, waiting for a feast. But the sun and all the yellow and the desert, it has an authentic feel to it.